Believe it when someone says that you are too much for them. Like you are asking for too much calls, you are asking for too much messages, you ask for for their time. Believe it and move on. Why? Because for the right one, yes, I'm saying for the right one because if someone really loves you and someone is really right for you, the one who thinks that you are right for them, they never compare you with other people or like they never say to you like तुम बहुत ज़्यादा हो, तुमने बहुत ज़्यादा मांग की है मुझसे, तुमको ये चाहिए मुझसे, तुमको वो चाहिए मुझसे. You ask for too many calls, you ask for too many messages, you ask for like too many care, attention, and that I cannot provide. So you are too much clingy, you are too much very noisy. Okay, so believe it when they are saying. Don't argue further. For the right one, your calls, your messages, your love, your care, your cleanliness is never enough. They will always ask you more. They will always ask you like, where are you? What are you doing? How are you? What are you doing throughout your day? So you're never too much for anyone. You are just being with the wrong person who doesn't even know how to take care of you. So how will they know that you are enough or not? For you or for them? You are actually not enough. You are actually too much for them. They can't take care for you. They absolutely can't take care for you. And you have to accept it and move on. जब तक ये बात एक्सेप्ट नहीं करोगे, जब तक ये इस चीज़ को लेकर लड़ाई करते रहोगे कि नो 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 आई एम नॉट आस्किंग फॉर टू मच, दिस इज़ द बेसिक, यू नो दिस आर द बेसिक थिंग्स यू आर आस्किंग फॉर मी, यू आर टेलिंग मी, यू आर कंप्लेनिंग मी, you actually cannot like justify this, right? Because जिसे तुम्हारे लिए सब कुछ करना खुद से पसंद हो, उसे तुम ये बात नहीं समझाना पसंद करोगे. और जिसको तुम ये बात ऑलरेडी समझा रहे हो, वो इंसान ऑलरेडी तुमसे इतना दूर है कि उसे ये कनेक्शन समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि दीज आर द बेसिक थिंग्स. सो डोंट ट्राई टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड. They don't understand, okay, fine, move on. I know it is completely hard, it's like completely people don't accept this so easily and बहुत ज़्यादा tough होता है. You might feel like emotional, crying, and बहुत दर्द भी होता है जो रियल में you know feelings रखते हो या फिर जिनको बुरा लगता है. But you cannot take care of these things. You cannot take care of like तुम किसी इंसान के नेचर में किसी इंसान के लिए इनफ नहीं बन सकते जब तक कि उसको खुद ना लगे कि तुम उस इंसान के लिए पर्टिकुलरली बहुत प्रायोरिटीज़ में हो. सो यू कैन नॉट जस्ट जस्टिफाई दिस थिंग्स. यू कैन नॉट जस्ट आर्ग्यू एवरी डे, ओके नो आई एम नॉट डूइंग दिस मच. यू विल एक्चुअली हैम्पर योर ओन ब्रेन. दैट्स इट. You cannot just change a person. Okay, so that is something else I'm going to say on another video, but still you are asking for the basic things from the wrong person in your life. I'm not saying the person will be wrong for everybody, okay? So you are asking the wrong person in your life that to do these things for you, and they just cannot provide you such things. They are just looking for the bare minimum they can do for the one, and तुम उसके लिए नहीं सही लग रहे हो तो तुम अपना एनर्जी वहाँ वेस्ट कर रहे हो कंटिन्यू रोज़ रोज़. नहीं नहीं, आई एम आस्किंग फॉर द बेसिक थिंग्स, तुम मुझे समझ नहीं रहे हो. यू आर नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ मी. You cannot make other people feel or take care of you by telling them to take care of you.